Cordial greetings, tutor and classmates. My name is John Alexander Ramirez Guarin, and I will explain the difficulty that lack of information on the market and commercialization channel causes. Poor methodology for collecting and storing information. Difficulty accessing only database, not having internal experts to analyze the information, lack of information on potential demand, poor knowledge of current size of the market, ignoring customers' needs, not preventing the reaction of the competition. The annual growth of or decrease in sales is unknown. Consequences cannot obtain a future forecast of the market segment where it will operate. Information on supply and demand is lacking. An unsuitable product may be offered that doesn't not say the customer. We we will have poor information. The price the we will have poor information to price the product or service. Uh, the most common distribution channel are unknown. This causes difficulty in streaming logistic process, generates a longer supply chain, causes ineffective marketing. Recommendation to guarantee success in the incorporation of technical innovation to the products or service offered by the company, it's essential to guarantee a good knowledge of market. Uh, the supply chain must be constantly reviewed to ensure efficiency in distribution and extended logistic process. Thanks.